Example number 2, we have here 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. Let us first check kung magsasatisfy ba itong given na polynomial sa condition na ito. So, una, tatlo ba yung terms? So, that is correct. Now, let us check kung yung first daw at yung last term natin ay hindi perfect square. So, take note dito, pwedeng yung isa o yung dalawa na ito ay hindi perfect square. So, let us check. So, mapapansin ninyo yung first term natin, which is 4x squared, yung 4 ay perfect square. Bakit? Kasi, when you multiply 2 times 2, you will get 4. 4 is a perfect square. Ngayon, check naman natin yung third term. So, yung third term natin is negative 3. So, yung negative 3 ba ay perfect square? So, hindi. Kasi walang two numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin, or the same two numbers, pag pinag-multiply natin, wala tayong makukuhang sagot na negative 3. So, therefore, nag-satisfy dun sa ating pangalawang condition. So, dahil dito, we're gonna use yung general quadratic trinomial wherein yung value ng a natin is not equal to 1. So, makikita ninyo na ang value ng a natin dito is positive 4. So, we have two types of factoring technique. So, yung una is AC method. So, paano ba natin gagamitin itong technique na ito? First thing we have to do is we have to multiply a times c. So, i-multiply mo lang yung 4 doon sa negative 3, that would give us negative 12. Now, step number 2, you're gonna find yung factors ng 12. Hanapin natin yung mga factors ng 12, tapos pag pinag-add natin, dapat equal siya sa negative 4. So, isa-isahin natin. Ano ba yung mga factors ng negative 12? So, that is negative 12 and positive 1, negative 6 at positive 2, negative 4 and positive 3. So, pag minultiply natin itong numbers na to, ang product niya or equal siya sa negative 12. So, alin ba dito kapag pinag-add natin ay equal sa negative 4? So, that is negative 6 at saka positive 2. Kasi when you multiply negative 6 times positive 2, that is equal to negative 12. Now, kapag inad naman natin sila, di ba, when adding two numbers or when adding two unlike numbers, ang ginagawa natin is sinusubtract natin. So, dahil unlike sila, isang negative, isang positive, isubtract lang natin. Ngayon, kung sino yung may pinakamataas na value, yun yung kokopyahin nating sign, which is negative. So magiging negative 4. So dahil dito, so isusulat lang natin to as binomial factor. So we can write this as quantity x minus 6 times quantity x plus 2. Now, yung next step natin is we're gonna divide yung constant ng 4. So i-divide natin yung 6 at 2 ng a natin, which is 4. Divide lang natin sa 4. Now, isi-simplify lang natin yung 6 over 4. That would give us 3 over 2. Simplify lang natin yung 2 over 4. That would give us 1 half. And then, i-rewrite lang natin. So, that would give us x or quantity x minus 3 over 2 times quantity x plus 1 half. Now, yung step number 4, we're gonna multiply 2 doon sa numerator ng first term natin. Multiply mo lang yung 2 doon sa unang term natin, sa x. So, that would give us a quantity 2x minus 3 times quantity 2x plus 1. So, therefore, this would be our factored form for example number 2. Yung susunod na technique natin is we're gonna use yung box method or trial and error. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito is hanapin mo yung factor ng first term natin. So, yung first term natin is 4x squared. So, pwedeng kahit anong factors tingnan mo hanggang sa makuha mo yung tamang factored form ng given na polynomial na to. So, dito, hanapin mo ano ba yung pwedeng factors ng 4x squared. So, let us try 2x times 2x. So, when you multiply 2x times 2x, that would give us 4x squared. Next, is we're gonna factor yung last term. So, yung last term natin is negative 3. So, ano ba yung pwedeng factors ng negative 3? So, that is negative 3 times positive 1. So, that would give us negative 3. So, to check this, kung tama ba yung mga factors na napili natin, is we're gonna check yung middle term. So, how do we do that? So, gagawin mo lang, i-multiply mo lang ng nakapakross. So, yung 2x times negative 3, that would give us negative 6x. And then, yung nasa taas, i-multiply naman natin yung 2x doon sa positive 1. So, that would give us positive 2x. And then, we're gonna add this two numbers. So, add natin. So, again, sabi ko nga, pag nag-add tayo ng unlike sign, ang gagawin lang natin is isusubtract natin, then copy yung may larger number or larger value ng number. So, that would give us negative 4. So, yung middle term ba natin is negative 4? Yes. So, dahil doon, tama yung middle term natin, so, tama yung factored form na napili natin. So, i-rewrite lang natin. So, yung step number 4, we're gonna factor yung binomial term of the first and second row. So, pagsamahin mo lang yung first row, so, yung i-factor lang natin yung first row, which is quantity, 2x minus 3. And then, i-factor natin yung second row, which is quantity, 2x plus 1. So, this would be yung ating factored form for example number 2 using Back's method.